everybody. Today I'm going to talk about my old camera bag. Now I've had this camera bag for probably 15 years now, and it's about time I retired it. It's been a great bag, been with me all over the world, but it's starting to show wear. As you can see right here, it's starting to fray, it's starting to fall apart, and a lot of the clips and all that other stuff have broken on here. So I think it's time that I retire this one. So I decided I was going to buy this one as a replacement. It's by a company called Mosiso, and if you look, it's got a little bit more size than this one does. It's about an inch or two higher, and it's about the same width. So I'm going to put this camera bag aside. Let's take this one, let's rip it out of the bag and see what it's got. Now it's a hard shell on the outside, and it's supposed to be waterproof. Let's open it up. Let's see what the inside looks like. Okay. And the front folds open like this. It's got a bunch of storage compartments. And then up here, you've got a storage compartment up here, which goes part of the way down just to the top of this. And then you have another storage compartment here, which I'm trying to get my finger into. There we go. And it's got a plastic back and that kind of stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the stuff from this bag. I'm going to transfer it into this bag. And I'll show you real quick how I have everything set up in this bag. This is the way everything is set up. And we'll be back in a few minutes as soon as I have everything transferred from this bag into this one, and we'll see how it all sorts out. So now I have everything organized in both bags. Everything seems to fit really, really well. I'm going to zip this case up. I want to show you a couple more things that this case has. Now everything fits really well. So there's a side pocket here that you can put water in or something like that. And then I guess that's it. It's just this. Then there's one on this side. And this one has a zipper pocket you can put things in. And also, this flips down, and you can put stuff in here too. You can put like filters and stuff. And then there's something really nice that this bag didn't have. You've got this strap right here that'll go over the handle of your carry-on luggage, so you can carry it on your bag. And it's got these two shoulder mounts, and it's got this cross piece, and everything is really nice and padded, so it should fit on your back really, really well. So this is the bag. I just want to show you one more thing. In the back, there's this zipper compartment, and you can put your laptop in here. So it also gives you full access for like a 16.5-inch computer. Let me put this thing on. It feels good, it's snug, I just have to adjust it. And let me put this on. Okay, it's clipped. Tighten this up a little more. Feels good across the back. Feels good in the shoulders because it's got enough padding. And this is what it looks like. So I'm Jeff with AZ Camera Reviews saying please watch us, please like us, please share us, hit that subscribe button down below and give us a like. Until next time, bye-bye.